Okay, this is the part one of stripping this car. This is what we do today. Yeah, we do a lot of work. Remove all the inside of the car. You can see the dashboard here, you can see the couple steering component here, the heater block, steering wheel. You can see the cross car and all of these things, center console, couple trims, and carpet, couple module, the driving harness, and couple things like this. Continue to strip the car. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so we just finished to strip the interior, and as you can see, no wiring harness. All of the wiring are out of the car. So you can see here you have different hole here. So this one is for the front left harness. This hole is for the clutch line, because you have the sleeve cylinder or something like this for the clutch. You have this, you have the line, and all of this thing go under the car. So you have this here is for the steering shaft for the left hand drive, and on the right hand drive side you have the hole here. So right hand drive car, the plug is on this side. This side is every time open because you have the heater block here, and the drain of the heater block is here, because when you put AC you have a condensation, and you have a bit of water every time leaking up from the on the bottom. Here I have the ECU, but on right hand drive the ECU is there, and as you can see it's the exact same. Yeah, this oil is for the front right harness, and as you can see it's really interesting, and I want to show you this because you have everything in double on this car, because BMW make one chassis, and it's an option to select right hand drive or left hand drive. I show you this. You see this bracket? This bracket is for the accelerator pedal, and you have the same on this side. This video just show you the difference between left hand drive and right hand drive car, and if you want to do the same thing, yeah, this is really easy. You just need to spend a little bit of time to make the thing properly, but yeah, that's it. Thanks. Make a bit of progress today. Yeah, see you for the next day.